Hi everyone! Today I'm doing a Captain Buggy makeup from the live action One Piece. I did a Captain Buggy from the anime, so today I'm going to do the makeup from the show, which I absolutely adore. So first I'm going to make my face masculine, and then I'm going to add in the clown features, and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is cover my eyebrows and lower them to make them more masculine. This will also allow me to paint the design as well, and I'm going to go ahead and make my jaw more masculine. I think I might play around with making the nose like that skin texture that he has in the show, so we'll see how that goes. So currently I'm working on the eyebrows. I'm making my eyebrows lower and more masculine, and then because they're like drawn on, I'll also be able to do the lines for the makeup even better. So as you can see, I'm already looking way more masculine. I have the darkness around my eyes, I'm starting to define my jaw, I'm going to do the 5 o'clock shadow. I do have my nose, so I don't have to do much with my nose, but we're moving along. I will have a scarf on, so I don't need to do perfect coverage of my tattoo, but I'm just getting enough for the top part of it that won't be covered by the scarf. Okay, so my next step is going to be putting on my clown nose and adding like a skin texture to that. And then I can start to do like the face paint elements. Alright, so I have my nose mostly done. I'll wait for this layer to dry, and then I might do some like more pores because it's his actual nose and not like a stick-on clown nose. And then once I'm done with that, I am going to now do the mouth, and I'm going to do the blue and the crossbones across the forehead. So the mouth is done, and now I'm going to do the crossbones across the eyes, and then the blue is last, and I'll just add in some details at the end. I have my jacket and my gloves, but I'm already loving this look. That might be some of the most perfect line work I've ever done. So next is just doing the blue and then really rounding out these features, and I'm almost done. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I think I totally nailed this one. I'm really excited with how it turned out, and if you want to see me do more characters from the live action One Piece, let me know who I should do next. I'll see you next time.